What is Hyaluron Pen? Hyaluron Pen is a treatment where we're able to add volume and plump to the skin using hyaluronic acid, and we can trigger or target an area of concern. So for example, we can add volume and fullness to lips, add volume to nasolabial lines, frown lines, or overall full face hydration. I want to say it's a little bit like a filler, but it can never actually replace a filler. It's a biphasic form of hyaluronic acid, so it is cross-linked, but it can only last a short amount of time and it gives a more subtle end result. This treatment requires no needles, so there's no pain associated with the treatment. I do, however, still like to numb my clients. I can't even deal with so much pain, so that's a non-negotiable for me. The treatment is quite a quick treatment. It takes between 20 to 45 minutes depending on how much coverage you need to create. There is no downtime to this treatment, but it is possible, rare, but possible, that the client might have a little bit of swelling or bruising after the treatment. The treatment costing depends on the amount of hyaluronic acid that you need to use. With the Hyaluron Pen, we recommend you commit to 1 to 3 treatments. They can be spaced anything from 1 to 3 weeks apart until you have a result that you're happy with. The longevity of the filler depends on numerous factors, a big one being your hydration levels. Clients normally would come in for almost a bit of a maintenance every 2 to 6 months. I know that's quite a big gap, but it depends on how many moles of hyaluronic acid we initially put into the area to plump, their expectation of the results, and like I said, certain factors in their lifestyle, skincare regime, dehydration levels or hydration levels. Our Hyaluron Pen is a super simple, simplistic device, which is probably one of my favorite things. Nothing complicated or technical. There's no air pressure or gas or anything like that involved. It just works with a very simple spring mechanism. Now we have very specifically selected this device out of quite a few options, but I'll explain why in a more technical video, or a video where I cover the more technical side. But very nice and easy to use, a measurement guide, which is nice and clear as well, area to your ampule, as well as along with a few other items, you get your hyaluronic acid, which you put into an ampule, which you put into your device. So nothing technical, quite nice and simple. And here is a quick little video on more or less how the treatment works and how it looks. Premier's training material is very comprehensive, and we are able to do it over a 2-day period. However, there is going to be some self-studying, there is going to be a few case studies and little exams that you'll need to complete and submit before getting your certification. There is also prerequisites for attending this training module. If you want more information about our Hyaluron Pen training, please comment below, send me a mail, give me a call, send me a WhatsApp. We have trainers all over. Premier Permanent Beauty Academy has trainers all over South Africa and in Namibia. Any of us will be super happy to help you. Also, you can subscribe to my channel.